Okay, cooking family, this is one of my favorite quick recipes to make, and that's the pumpkin muffin in the microwave. So let's get started first by adding 2 tablespoons of ground oat flour. I just grind it in my little coffee grinder and it works so great. Dump that in. And then I also grind this, and it's 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. Now I have a teaspoon of brown sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Two tablespoons of pumpkin. A beaten egg. And a teaspoon of oil. Now I'm just going to mix it on up. Now I have it all mixed up, so next what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some cinnamon sugar to the bottom of a greased Pyrex dish. I sprayed a little pan. Since the recipe only has a teaspoon of sugar in it, you can go ahead and add a little to the bottom. Now just go ahead and pour on your batter. Next up, just put the pumpkin muffin in your greased dish in the microwave for 60 seconds. It's all out of the microwave now, so we'll just overturn it here. Give it a couple taps. There we go. Get a little more cinnamon sugar. Just sprinkle it on. If you have frosting, then of course that would be yummy too. Thanks for watching. Make sure you make this pumpkin muffin. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Leave me a comment in the comment section below the video. Let me know if you did it. Remember, 60 seconds, you got time to do it. So I will see you in the next video, and happy cooking. Well, I should be cleaning up, but instead, I'm eating. It's really good. It's very fluffy. Bye from Donna Cooking.